Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to use Asana for project management. This is a very easy tutorial. All you have to do is to go to any web browser and then type Asana. Okay, you can use Google web browser, Mozilla, Microsoft Edge, but all you have to do is to type Asana, and then once it appears, all you have to do is to click. Okay, so we have here some sites, but you just have to look for asana.com. So I click this asana.com, and then all you have to do here is to simply click this get started if you haven't an account yet. If you have an existing account, all you have to do is click this login, type your email address and password. But if you don't have an account yet, you just have to click this get started. And then here, you just have to type your business name, or you can just simply type your email address and then click sign up. Okay, wait as it is loading. Now here, I have already created my Asana account before. So this is the home page of Asana. You can see here home, my task, inbox. We have here insights, reporting, portfolio goals. We have here your projects, existing projects, and my workspace. So in order to start, all you have to do is to go to the left side, at the top left corner. You can see here plus or create. Well, you just have to tap that one, and then once you tap that, you can see some options. Okay, so you can see blank project, use a template, and import spreadsheet. Of course, let me tap this blank project here. And then for project name, let's just say you are a YouTube content owner or YouTube content creator. So your project management is all about handling a YouTube channel, and you are the YouTube content creator, and you need some assistant or people who will help you to create this one. Okay, so we have here layouts. I'm going to choose this list. Okay, you can also tap any of the selections here, options here, but let me tap the first one. Okay, and as you can see, your trial ends in 6 days, so you have to upgrade your plan if you want. To select a plan, you just have to tap this select plan, and you can see here the plans that you can choose. We have here premium, we have here business, we have here enterprise with their amount. Okay, so you just have to select, and you can see what are the features that you can unlock. Okay, you can access to these features once you upgrade this plan. Okay, so to start, we have here overview. Okay, we have here list. Okay, we have here board. These are layouts, timeline, calendar. We have here workflow, dashboard, messages, and files. So let's go to list. Now, if you want to delete or if there's an existing information here, you can simply delete that by just clicking and click this delete task. Okay, and do other options here if you want. So to start, let me type my first task here to achieve that growing channel and reach and engage to many people and viewers. So I have here content strategy. Second, I have here video production. And third is upload schedule. That is my first task or part one. And later I'm going to add selection with like part two, something like that. So to start or to, give full details to this first task here, all I have to do is click this one. And as you can see, we have here assignee. I want to assign this to someone, but he is not here. So I have to enter his email and send him a, what you call this one, send invitation. And he will be notified once he open his email and see this information here. Okay, so for due date, I just had to click it should be submitted tomorrow. Now for project, you can add something like information instruction here. Let's just say this one is urgent. Okay, very urgent because he needs to submit it tomorrow. Okay, same thing. Now for the description, you can type any instruction here or any words so that this person, Andy, can understand more about his task. Okay, so plan your strategy and so on and so forth. Okay, you can edit that by clicking these options above, plan, italic, underline. You can even add link if you want so that Andy can totally understood his task. Okay, paste the link here. Okay, and also you can add emoji and you can mention him. Okay, so at Andy@gmail.com. Okay, and you can add subtask if you want. Let's just say find a topic that is engaging, something like that. And then for comment, you can type leave a feedback, please, or please give me an update about this. Okay, so it's up to you. Okay, so as you can see, it also appears here. And then if Andy finished this task, then you can mark this as complete. Okay, so it's already complete and nothing to worry about. Okay, so that's it. Now you can add field if you want. Let's just say I want to add something like status. If it's in progress, if it's to do, if it's done, something like that, create field. Okay, so here you can see this as in progress. Okay, so let's set a priority. Okay, because this one is very urgent. So I need to mark this as high. Okay, it needs high attention, something like that. Okay, same thing with video production and upload schedule. If you want to assign someone, you just have to go to assignee, tap this one, and click the email address of the person, or if he's not here or not, if she's not here, then you can just simply type his or her email and send invitation. Also for due date and for status, set this as done if you want, or in progress to priority medium because it's not that really urgent. Okay, so same thing with upload schedule. Okay, assign this to someone. Okay, due date. Let's just say this one is done. Okay, so yeah, set this as low and you can mark this as complete. Okay, so this is what it looks like. As easy as that. For board layout, you can add selection here, for example, in progress. And then you can add another selection here, done. Now, the wonderful thing about this board layout or template, you can just simply drag this one. For example, this one is in progress. This one is done. Okay, this one is in progress too. And you can add more selection if you want. So it's very easy to use. Okay, you can tap and add information as simple as that. Timeline, this is what it looks like. For calendar, obviously you can really see the date. Okay, and then for workflow, it has different layout also. Okay, for a dashboard. And then we have also here messages. If you receive a message, you can see it here. And then if a file is being uploaded, or if you can see that there's a new file, you can tap that one. Okay, so that's it. Now, so let's just say you want to have meetings or seminars. You can customize or you can add application here. All you have to do is to go to that part and click that Zoom application, Google Meet application, form, and so on. So if you go to home, this is what it looks like. You can see the overall things under your Asana project. Okay, for the task, for goals, for projects, for people. Okay, you can see it here. And if you tap this one, you can see the status of your project. Okay, so for inbox, for messages, you can see any message or any updates. Okay, reporting, we can see here portfolios, and then also this one is goals and so on. So that's it. That's how easy it is to use Asana for project management. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.